A question came in, and I'll start with you on this, Angelo. This person writes, I just started using MetPro. I used to use a lot of salad dressings, not just on salad, but like ranch dressing with pizza. I became aware how they were so processed. What suggestions do you have to help me change my eating habits here?
Source a dressing that you enjoy that is low calorie. And that is not a tall ask because nowadays, it used to be a tall ask, but nowadays they've got some formulations that are fabulous, that aren't all processed. They've got some form. Maybe it's not a ranch dressing. Maybe it's a completely different style you haven't tried before. Maybe it is a white dressing. It's formulated different. The mistake that people make is they say, well, I'm going to use the dressing I like and just a little less of it. But that really doesn't work with dressings because the serving sizes on these things are laughable. 2 tablespoons. Nobody uses 2 tablespoons. I mean, two tablespoons, that's sniffing to see, that's tasting to see if I like the dressing. It's just not realistic. So it's much better to get and I tell people, actually, this was one of our starting assignments when we started working with clients years ago. We would actually assign them to go to the grocery store and come back with 3 new salad dressings that they hadn't tried before to experience. Just buy the small containers in case you don't like it, because odds are you'll find one of them that you rarely like. The same rules apply to sauces. Generally speaking, 40 to 50 calories, don't worry about it. Don't obsess over it. If it's 40 to 50 calories per serving, even if you accidentally use a little too much, you're not getting yourself in that much trouble. Whereas if you do old school ranch or blue cheese, and you accidentally use a 1/4 cup, which can absolutely happen, you will be shocked at how many extra calories you're getting just with the dressing. For sauces, look in the marinade section. Believe it or not, there's a lot of marinades, and it's not that all sauces are bad. You can find lots of standard traditional dressings and sauces that are reasonably calorie. But in the marinade section, you'll often find lower calorie options that are still very, very tasty. And don't forget about salsa, hot sauce, and a host of dry seasonings that essentially add virtually no calories in some of those cases that you can use to season up foods that you like. But it's one of the things that's going to help is you won't dip your pizza in ranch anymore because we're not going to be eating pizza. Except on occasion, once in a while. But hopefully that gives you some insights into the direction we give our clients when just trying to decide on some good salad dressings and seasonings and sauces.